Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about difference between form and formless mind from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. Once a devotee asked Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi about form and formless mind. He replied as follows: pure mind has the name space mind or empty mind. Immediately on waking from sleep, a clarity of awareness arises without exception in all people. That is the formless mind. Thoughts such as I am the body, this is the world, arise after that. This is the mind with form. In a cinema show, the light appears first. The forms appears on the screen only after that. Likewise, the light of the self comes first and provides the space for everything that follows. Thank you.